Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix the can't add card to Apple Wallet issue. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where most system-related issues can be fixed. We'll start by checking basic software updates. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Now scroll down and tap on General. This section contains important system settings. From here, we can check for software updates. This step is very important for fixing wallet issues. Inside General, tap Software Update. Wait a few seconds while your phone checks for updates. If any update is available, download and install it. This can fix bugs related to Apple Wallet. After updating, go back to Settings and scroll down. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here you can check your card details and payment settings. Make sure your card is properly added. Now verify that your card is supported in your region. Some banks or regions do not support Apple Pay. If your bank is not supported, the card will not be added. Make sure everything is compatible before moving forward. If the issue still continues, go back to Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top and scroll down. Select Sign Out and then sign back in after a few seconds. This refreshes your Apple services and can fix the issue. If nothing works, restart your iPhone or reset settings. This helps clear hidden system glitches. After restarting, try adding the card again. Most of the time, the issue gets resolved here. And that's how you can fix the can't add card to Apple Wallet issue easily. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.